Bro, we just saw Kirk's or our godfather's dead. Huh? Our grandfather's dead body. Bakit tayo matutulog?
My
Kung in real,
grandpa's dead, bro.
kung
I
real
saw him
in,
die.
kung in real life, so, tapos nakita ko yung, yung monster, tapos patay na yung lolo ko. Ayan.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Decorate natin sa Christmas part. Ay,
Oh my
Christmas
gosh, ang
party.
pogi mo grandpa. Like
Advance
ka.
na. Advance Christmas
Grandpa, ang pogi
decoration.
mo. Type kita.
Star ng Pasko.
Christmas decoration.
Star ng
Christmas
Pasko.
decoration.
Star ng Pasko. Eh, let's go
Wag.
home. Let's go home.
Tara, let's. Tara, let's.
We're going home. Bakit ka na sa labas?
Bakit tayo na sa labas?
Eh,
Oh yes.